All right, here I am with the Scion. Oh, there's people. And I feel weird. Yeah, so, oh God. All right, here I am with the Scion. I'm gonna hurry up and try and do this as fast as possible, but also do it right. And if I don't finish it, then it's gonna look kind of dumb until I do finish it. I have these. I got these off Amazon, eBay. I'm gonna put them on, and I'm not gonna rely on the adhesive tape. I'm gonna screw them to the bumper too. Because I'm gonna go on the track with this, so if it falls off, it's gonna fly on the track and hit someone. So I got two sets. I got one for the Scion, one for the Celica. I'm gonna install the big one and the small one on the front, and then I'm gonna put this one on the rear bumper over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started doing that and see how it comes out. I'm supposed to do this. I'm gonna try and kind of eyeball it, but at the same time not make it off. So, and there's dog poop. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do the best I can. So I'm gonna put it on a side that I know how I kind of want it to look, and then I'm going to measure the other side based on these marks right here on the bumper, and then kind of put like dots with a marker to see where everything's going to line up. So I'm going to do this side freehand to see where I want it to be, and then just replicate it on the other side. Okay, there it is. Yeah, it definitely looks a little cheesy. I probably need to paint the grille and get rid of the chrome. It just doesn't do it any favors. Also, the headlights make it look wicked ugly. So I would probably need new headlights and maybe put like a splitter on the front or some kind of black accent on the front to kind of offset how ugly those look. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It just looks cheesy because it's kind of not finished. It looks like just a racer vehicle right now because of how it came out. And it's funny because the headlights are like clear but not clear. Like if you go up on them, they look clear, but from a distance they look yellow, so it's weird. Yeah, so it looks okay. It just needs some touching up. It's definitely an unfinished look. Well, that's cool, I suppose. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and install some on the rear of the car, right here. So it's going to do like some cars have diffusers that go in the rear, and like canards that go on the rear bumper, I guess, but whether they're going to be functional is pretty debatable, but it's trying to make it look a little different, I suppose. See, what actually makes it look ricey now is that it needs different wheels. Because now that it has those black accents, it's gonna need like black wheels. But yeah, it'll work for now. That's fine. Alright, time to do the other side. Alright, that came out pretty even. There you go, it's got like wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw those down. So the whole point of these is supposed to cut through the air. Whether it actually does anything is beyond me. I'm doing it mostly for cosmetics, but hey, if it helps, it helps. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and screw them down. And that'll be that. All right, well, there it is. I installed them. They look okay. Looks like it's got sideburns, but it looks all right. It needs black wheels. The silver wheels are what make it look cheesy. It needs very wire-like black wheels. That's what will make it look different. So I need to find a set of 17-inch, like 5-spoke, like thin racing black, not wire wheels, but like thin spoked, I think would look good. So there it is. I am getting tires soon. I don't know if I'll be able to get the tires installed on new wheels in time, but I believe that I'll be able to put them on these rims, and then I'll just swap them out eventually. But here we are. Ta-da! All right, that's all. Bye-bye.